Lori's parents cared about their daughter very much. It was a little too much. They were very concerned about her love life. They wanted to make sure that she married a man who was able to provide for her. Lori's parents didn't make a lot of money. Her mom was a saleswoman and her dad was a police officer. They just wanted Lori to never have to worry about money. Lori was making a decent amount of money, but it wasn't that much. She was a behavioral therapist. She was making about $45,000 a year. Lori met an investment banker a few years ago, and they have been dating ever since. He was making $120,000 a year, so her parents approved. He was a nice guy, too. Lori wasn't sure if she wanted to marry him, though. She felt that there was something missing. When Lori was at the grocery market, she ran into her old friend Thomas. They knew each other back in college and were close. He asked her to catch up over a cup of coffee. She agreed. They went out for coffee, and it was as if no time has passed. She noticed how happy she was with him. She really missed him. He asked her out on a date, and she said yes. She broke up with her boyfriend right after. Lori knew her parents would be upset. Thomas only made $45,000 a year. When Lori told her parents, they were very sad. Lori felt a bit guilty, but she knew that Thomas was the one for her.